Good morning, children. In previous class, we have discussed about the line segment, ray, different types of angles, and we have done some problems. Today, we will deal some more problems on that topic. So let us start the problem number 3. Children, the next question is, in the figure, angle PQR is equal to angle PRS or PRQ. So here these two angles are equal, and I have to prove that angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. That means here these two exterior angles are equal. So to this, so clearly ST is a straight line. So exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. On that form, I am going to prove. So here ST is a straight line. Now PQ and RS or PQ and PR are two rays of ST. So these are the two rays for ST. So there, and one more condition is given, angle PQR is equal to angle PRQ. So this one I am taking it as first equation. Now clearly angle PQS plus angle PQR is equal to 180 because it is a linear pair here. So angle PQS plus angle PQR is equal to 180. It is a linear pair. So angle PQR is equal to 180 minus, I am taking this PQS to right side. So minus angle PQS. So this one I am taking as second equation. And the next one is, again here these two are adjacent angles and it is a linear pair. So angle PRT plus angle PRQ is equal to 180 degrees. Again it is a linear pair. Now angle PRQ is equal to 180 minus angle PRT. This is the third equation. So substitute the equations 2 and 3 in equation 1 because PRQ value I know and also PQR value I know. Substitute equation 2 and 3 in equation 1. Now that's equal to, so a PQR value is 180 minus angle PQS equal to PRQ value is 180 minus angle PRT. So LHS and RHS 180 is there, so these two are going to cancel, minus minus will be cancelled. The remaining will be angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. So whatever we need to prove, so we got it here. Angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. So these angles are also equal. Children, the next question is, in the given figure, x plus y should be equal to double plus z. So I have to prove this, and clearly given here x plus, in the given figure, if x plus y is equal to double plus z, then I have to prove that AB is a straight line. So here I am taking OA, OB, OC and OD are the rays. OA, OB, OC and OD are rays. And one more condition is given, x plus y is equal to double plus z. This is the first equation I am taking. Now clearly we know sum of all the four angles is 360 degrees because angle x plus y plus z plus w is equal to 360 because it is forming a circle here. That is, sum of all angles equal to 360 degrees. That is angle BOC plus angle COA plus angle AOD plus angle DOB is equal to 360. BOC is X plus AOC is Y, RCOI is equal to Y plus Z plus W equal to 360. Now here X plus Y, so from equation 1, X plus Y is equal to double plus Z. So either I can substitute double plus Z is equal to X plus Y, or X plus Y is equal to double plus Z in the second equation. So now here X plus Y plus double plus Z or Z plus W is equal to again X plus Y. That's equal to 360 degrees. X2 of X plus Y is equal to 360. Now X plus Y is equal to 360 by 2 is equal to 180 degrees. Now X plus Y, this X plus Y I got the value 180, then automatically clearly X plus Y is equal to double plus Z is given. So automatically it is also 180. Now if sum of two adjacent angles with a common arm is equal to 180, then it is a straight line. So here sum of two adjacent angles with a common arm is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore AOB is a straight line. So children, see here, this is the figure given here, and the condition is given X plus Y is equal to double plus Z. Then I have to prove that AOB is a straight line. This is a straight line. So here I am taking OA, OB, OC and OD are the rays, and condition is given X plus Y is equal to double plus Z. Clearly when I am adding all these angles, I am going to get an angle of 360 degrees because it is a complete angle. Now angle BOC plus angle COA plus angle AOD plus angle DOB is equal to 360. BOC's value is X and AOC value is Y, AOD's value is Z and W. So here X plus Y plus Z, X plus Y plus Z plus W is equal to 360. But the condition is X plus Y is equal to double plus Z. Wherever double plus Z is there, I am taking X plus Y. So X plus Y plus X plus Y is equal to 360. After doing the calculation and simplification, I am getting X plus Y is equal to 180 degrees. X plus Y is 180 because it is, if it is 180 hence it is a straight line here. Then automatically double plus Z is also equal to X plus Y. Then it is also 180 degrees. So sum of two adjacent angles with a common arm equal to 180. Then AOB is a straight line. Children, the next question is, in the figure POQ is a line, ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ, OS is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. Then I have to prove that angle ROS is equal to half of angle QOS minus POS. So here the figure is given like this. PS is a straight line and angle PQ is a straight line is given. Then and OR is perpendicular to PQ and OS is another ray which is lying in between OP and OR. This is OS, another ray which is lying in OP and OR. Then I have to prove that angle ROS, this angle is equal to half of angle QOS, this total angle, minus this angle. So to this, so I am going to prove. This is the fifth question here. So first, clearly given POQ is a straight line. That means PQ is a line. Ray OR is perpendicular to PQ. Therefore, angle POR is equal to angle QOR, that's equal to 90 degrees, because OR is perpendicular means automatically it is also 90 and this is also 90 degrees. This one I am taking it as first equation. And next one more is given. OS is a ray lying between OP and OR. So therefore angle SOQ is equal to, that means angle SOQ, this angle, because I need to find the SOQ first. So angle SOQ is equal to angle SOR plus angle ROQ. This is the second equation I am taking. The next is angle POS is equal to angle POR minus angle SOR. This is the third equation I am taking. POS is equal to angle POR. From this total angle 90 degrees I am subtracting angle SOR. Now subtract equation 3 from 2. I am subtracting angle SOQ minus angle POS is equal to angle SOR plus angle ROQ minus angle POR minus angle SOR. Now that's equal to angle SOR plus angle ROQ, plus to minus is minus angle POR, minus to minus is plus angle SOR. That's equal to angle ROQ minus angle POR plus angle SOR, plus angle SOR is 2 angle SOR. That's equal to angle ROQ minus angle POR is angle ROQ plus 2 angle SOR. Angle POR is equal to angle ROQ, because these two angles are equal here. In the place of POR I am taking ROQ or QR, both are same only. So angle ROQ will be cancelled. That's equal to 2 angle SOR. So therefore, so this 2 angle SOR I am writing 2 angle ROS, because just I am changing here. SOR and ROS are same. So that is equal to angle ROS is equal to, this term taking to left side, that is will be 1/2 of angle SOQ minus angle POS. So this is what we need to prove. See here I am taking PQ is a line and OR is perpendicular to the line PQ. That means if it is a perpendicular it will be 90 degrees, and OS is a ray. So by the figure we can say that angle POR and angle ROQ is equal to 90 degrees. Now first I am going to, clearly first condition is given, angle POR is equal to angle ROQ by this statement, that is OR is perpendicular to PQ. Now OS is a ray. Now SOQ is equal to this total angle, that is angle SOR plus angle ROQ. Next is angle POS is equal to angle POR minus angle SOR. I am going to subtract this angle, then from this total angle I am going to subtract this angle, then this is the answer I am going to get. Now that is the second equation, this value is second equation, this is third equation. From second I am going to subtract the third one. So after subtraction I am going to get the value of angle ROQ minus angle POR plus 2 angle SOR. POR, from first equation, POR is equal to ROQ. Now ROQ minus ROQ plus angle 2OR, ROQ cancel, then 2 angle SOR is equal to angle SOQ minus angle POS. Therefore angle ROS is equal to, I am taking this 2 to left side, that is will be 1 by 2 of angle SOQ minus angle POS. Children, the next question is, it is given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degrees and XY is produced to a point P. Draw figure by the given information. If ray QY bisects angle ZYP, then find the value of angle XYQ and reflex of angle QYP. So here QY is bisecting angle PYZ. So that means, so here these two angles are going to be equal. Now by this figure I need to calculate the value of angle XYQ value, angle XYQ, and also reflex of QYP. That means this reflex angle I need to calculate. So here given that angle XYZ is equal to 64 degrees, and one more is given, XY is extended to a point P. I am expanding this to a point P, and one more is ray QY is bisecting. Bisecting means the angles are going to be equal here. Bisecting angle ZYP. So therefore, if QY is bisecting angle ZYP, then automatically angle PYQ and QYZ are equal. Angle PYQ is equal to angle QYZ. This is the first equation, and clearly it is a linear pair. So here angle XYZ plus angle ZYP is equal to 180 degrees. It is a linear pair. Angle XYZ plus angle ZYP. Now ZYP is equal to angle ZYQ and QYP. I am going to substitute that. Angle XYZ plus ZYP is equal to angle PYQ plus angle QYZ is equal to 180 degrees. So angle XYZ plus angle PYQ plus angle PYQ, because from the first equation QYZ is equal to PYQ, that's equal to 180 degrees from equation 1. Now that's equal to angle XYZ plus 2 angle PYQ is equal to 180 degrees. XYZ value is 64 degrees. 64 degrees plus 2 angle PYQ is equal to 180. 2 angle PYQ is equal to 180 minus 64 degrees. That is equal to angle 2 PYQ is equal to 180 minus 64 is 116 degrees. Angle PYQ is equal to 116 by 2. 2 ones are 2 5s are 10, 2 8s are, that is 58 degrees. Angle PYQ is equal to 58 degrees. This is PYQ is 58. If it is 58, then automatically it is also 58. So therefore angle QYZ also equal to 58 from equation 1. Now I got all the values. Now angle XYQ, because I need to find the value of XYQ. XYQ is equal to angle XYZ plus angle QYZ. That's equal to 64 degrees plus 58 degrees. That value is 64 plus 58 is 122 degrees. So the next is reflex of reflex of angle QYP is equal to 360 degrees minus angle QYP. That's equal to 360 minus QYP value is 58 degrees. 360 minus 58 is 302 degrees. Thank you, children.